All right, so I'm not sure how I'm going to prove to you that these actually work, but I am going to tell you what has happened since I've started using them, and then you can make your mind up if you want to try them. So I do have a septic tank. I'm not going to take you down there. We're not going to go look and undig it and see and measure, because you know what? That's gross. But here's what's happened. So this is what it looks like. It's just this little pack, and it has just a little light plastic. And all you're going to do is quite literally drop it in your toilet and flush once a month. That's all you do. Now, what's nice about these is, besides how easy they are to use, this is going to help prevent all those backups that you can have. I have 4 people in my family, including 3 boys, 2 boys and a husband, right? And so there is a lot of use of the toilet. Now, here's the thing. You know, you do have to have your regular septic tank treated. But when you do this, what I have noticed is I've had a lot less backup in my downstairs kind of pipes area, where I have not had any sewage backup since I've started using these, which is amazing. If you've ever had a sewage backup before in your pipes, you know how gross that is. So what I've noticed is that it has been helping keep my pipes cleaner. Whether it's helping the bacteria, I'm assuming that's what it's doing. But even here it says it has, you know, break down protein, paper, grease, and oils. So I'm not seeing where I've had to have anything snaked. I'm not having anything kind of bubble up in my, you know, utility room. In fact, I am thinking that my kind of pipes are doing pretty good. So again, while I can't prove to you that this is exactly why that's happening, I can tell you since I've started using this, I have such a better peace of mind. So I definitely recommend you get some. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all by trying these.